Hey there, welcome back to another video in this OpenCV tutorial series. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw different kind of shapes onto an image, and also how can you put out or how can you draw some kind of string onto an image. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So as you can see here, I have imported the image and I have an image function to print out image. And let's make this just okay. Now I have this image, and if I will print it out, let's take image and img. So as you can see here, we have this image, and in this on this image I am going to uh, draw some shapes. So let's first take cv2 dot line, and I want to draw on image, so I need to provide the image. Then I need to give the first point. So if you are drawing a line from here to here, then you need to give the pixel value of this pointer and the pixel value, not the pixel value but the pixel location of these points. So let me just give it, let's take 0 by 0. I want to start the line from 0 to 0, uh, and then I need to give the endpoints. So this, let's take them as 200 by 200. So I'm going to read this image, and oh, I have done something there. Yeah, I need to provide it here. Let me just close this. Now what I need to do, I need to also give the what do we say, color of the image. So let's make it blue, so it will be 255 0 and 0. White, it will be 255 0 and 0 because cv2 follows bgr format. So I'm going to do that, and let's make the width of the line is 4 pixels. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move it here, and let's again do this and this. So as you can see here, we have the image, or we have the line right here. Now, and the next thing that you can do is you can also draw a rectangle. So cv2 rectangle, and similarly in the same way we have to provide the image. Then we have to provide the top left corner location, so let it be 200 by 200. Then you need to provide the bottom right location of the rectangle, so let it be 300. And again we need to give the color, so let this time let's make it 255. Let's make it red, and we need to again give the thickness of the image, so we'll do that again. Now let me just do this. This is going. Now we will see we have a rectangle here, and you can also draw circles or things like that. Let's draw circle also. So I'm going to just close this, and what I'm going to do is cv2 dot circle. Again I need to give the image, then after the image I need to provide the center of the circle. So uh, let's make it 400 by 300. Okay, then I need to give the radius of the image, so of the circle, so let's make it 50. And then we also need to give some color, so let's make it green this time, and give the thickness. So if I'll do this and then run this again, so I have also a circle here. So there are also different functions, like you can draw polygons or many other things, but I'm going to just stick to that. If you want to check out like what you can draw more, then you should check out the OpenCV website. And now what I'm going to show, I'm going to show you how you can draw some text on the image. So for that we need to give cv2 dot put text, and here I need to give again image. Then I need to give the text that I want to provide. So the text would be, let's make it my name. After the text I need to give the font, so cv2 dot font, and here you can see there are different kind of things. So I'm going to use simplex, font Hershey simplex. And after this, what you need to do is you need to provide the font size, that is going to be let's say 4 or anything. You can make it anything, let's make it 1. Okay, one more thing that you need to give here, you need to give here the starting position of the text, top left position. So let's make it 10 by 5, let's make it 10 by 50. Yeah. And I think what it needs a color. So let's make some, let's make any color. So 240 by let's take 65, let's take 200. And again I need to give the thickness of my image. Oh, and here I need to give the type of line. So cv2 dot line, and I'm going to choose AA. There are different kind of lines, you can see by yourself. If you will try to change it like to 4 or 8, what will happen? So I'm going to stick with just AA. Now I have put the text here. What I'm going to do, I'm again going to see the image, and as you can see here we have this name here. So guys, this is it. Let me just go through once again what these are parameters. So first is the image that on which we want to draw our text. Then the second parameter is the text itself that we want to draw. The third parameter is the top left position of the text from where you want to draw your text. After that you need to provide the font, then it is the font size, then it is the color, and it is the width of the line that is drawing your text, and this is the kind of line that you want to draw with. So guys, this was it for this video, and I hope that you understood all the concepts here. So I'll see you next time.